Good morning, students. Uh, Chapter number 7 has been going on. So, today I'm going to give hints of exercise 7b. I'll solve one part of each question and you will solve rest of the parts yourself. Okay. So, question number 1 is a shop has the following number of shoes pairs of different sizes, and the number of shoes for different sizes has been given, and you people have to find percentage of each size available in the shop. Okay, so sizes are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So sizes are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means number of shoes for size 2 is 20, number of shoe size 3 is 30, number of shoe size 4 is 28, and then 14 for size 5, and 8 number of shoes is for size 6. Okay, so we have to find percentage. Find percentage for each size. Got it? So first of all, we have to find total number of shoes available in the shop. Okay, so total number of shoes are, yes, 2 to 400. Okay, so there are 100 shoe pair available in the shop. Okay, कितने shoes available है? 100. So we have to find percentage for each size. That means percentage for size 2. Okay, for size 2, percentages, how many shoes are there for size 2? It's 20 from 100. 100 में से 20. Okay, so we have to find percentage now. This question is like कि आपने स्कोर किया है 20 on 100, 20 out of 100, and you have to find percentage. Same question. Okay, that means we have 100 shoes pairs and we have to find the percentage for 20. Okay, multiply it by 100, cut 100 by 100, and it is 20%. That means the percentage for size 2 is 20%. Okay, rest of the sizes, the percentage for rest of the sizes you have to find yourself. Okay, now question number 2. It is convert fractions into percent. Okay, fractions are given and you have to find percentage, and I'm going to solve part C. Okay, it is 5 1 by 4. We have to find percentage for this fraction. So this is mixed fraction. We'll convert it into improper fraction. For that, it is 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 1, 21 upon 4. Now 21 upon 4 is the improper fraction and we have to find the percentage. So multiply it by 100 because we have to find a percentage. Okay, 4 25s are 100. Okay, now 21 into 25, the answer will be in percentage. Okay, okay, now you can calculate the final percentage for this. One more part A, 1 upon 4, and we have to find the percentage. Okay, this way we can find the percentage. Multiply it by 100. So 4 25s are 100. So 25 ones are 25. So 25%. Okay. Now question number 3. Express percentage as decimal. Percentage has been given. Now percentage has been given. We have to calculate decimals. We have to express it into decimal. Okay, part A I'm going to solve. It is 35%. Okay, now you have to convert it into fraction. First of all, 35% means 35 per 100. That means 35 out of 100. So we can write it 35 upon 100. That's it. Don't multiply it by 100 because percentage sign has been given with the figure. That means we have to solve it. Percentage को solve करना है. Okay, 35 upon 100 and we have to convert it into decimal. So it is 0.35. Okay, so we have express it as decimal. Now question number 4 is express the following percentage as fraction. एज फ्रैक्शन. ओके, डेसिमल में क्या किया था बेटा? 35% को पहले फ्रैक्शन में किया था. सेम हमने फोर्थ क्वेश्चन में करना है, बस उसको डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट नहीं करना. ओके, सो एक्सप्रेस परसेंटेज एज फ्रैक्शन. वेरी सिंपल. ओके, आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व पार्ट डी. 6 1/4%. ओके, सो 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25 upon 4 and percentage को हमने हटाना है, so we'll divide it by 100. okay, so 25 4s are 100, 4 4s are 16, 1 upon 16. So we have to convert it into fraction. The answer is in fraction. Okay, now you can solve rest of the parts. Now question number 5, express following decimal as percent. Express decimal as percent. Okay, so I'm going to solve part C. 3.275. We have to convert it into decimal. First of all, convert it into fraction, then in percentage. Okay, so as fraction it is 3275 upon 1000. You know how we remove decimals and convert into fraction? Number of decimal places, the same number of zeros are there. Okay, now you have converted it into fractions. Now we have to convert, we have to express it as as percentage. So जब percentage में convert करना है, अब इस क्वेश्चन में परसेंटेज का साइन लगा हुआ नहीं आया, आपको इसके साथ लगाना है. जब लगाना होता है तो हम 100 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं. ओके, नाउ हमने इसको करना था परसेंटेज में. ओके, तो 3275 अपॉन 10 बचा है हमारे पास. सो आप इसके साथ परसेंटेज का साइन फ्रैक्शन में भी लगा सकते हो, अदरवाइज इट इज़ 327.5%. ओके, सो डेसिमल में परसेंटेज आ गया साथ में. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, एक्सप्रेस रेशो एज परसेंट. वेरी सिंपल, एक्सप्रेस रेशो एज percent. Okay, so part A is 2:5. So convert it into fraction first, then convert into percentage. 5 2s are 10 and it is 20. So 20 into 2 is 40%. Fine, very simple. You can convert ratios as percent. Ratio ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ fraction ਚ convert ਕਰਦੇ ਹੀ ਹੋ, ਹੈ ਨਾ, for simplest form find ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਤੁਸੀਂ solve. Okay, now we have to convert it into percentage. So convert it into fraction first of all, then convert it into percent. Now question number 7. It is, there are 25 radios. So number of radios have been given. Number of radios are 25. Okay, 16 of them are out of order. 16 of them means 25 में से 16 out of order means they are not working. Okay, out of order. Number of radios out of order, how many are there? The number is 16. Okay, what percentage of radios are out of order? We have been given the number and we have to, what we have to do, we have to find the percentage of radios, number of radios, percentage of radios out of order. इसकी percentage निकालनी है हमें. number given है, हमें percentage निकालनी है. very simple, percentage of radios out of order. ओके, परसेंटेज कैसे निकालेंगे? 16 कितने में से 16 आउट ऑफ ऑर्डर है? हाउ मेनी आर देयर? इट इज 16 आउट ऑफ 25. फ्रैक्शन बन गया. नाउ वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू percentage. So answer will be in percentage. 25 fours are and 16 fours are 64%. So 64% of radios are out of order. Okay. Question number 8. Now I will explain question number 8 only and you will solve it yourself. A shop has 500 bulbs. Number of bulbs. How many bulbs are there in the shop? 500. Okay. Out of which 5 are defective. So number of defective bulbs. Number of defective bulbs are 5. And you have to find the percentage of what percent of bulb are defective. So 5 number of defective bulbs are 5 and you have to find a percentage for it. Very simple, you can do yourself. Question number 9. There are 120 voters. So total number of voters first of all. बेटा जैसे जैसे आप क्वेश्चन रीड करते हो आपको साथ के साथ what has been given in the question you have to write. फिर उससे आपका सॉल्व करना आपको ईजी हो जाता है. टोटल नंबर ऑफ वोटर्स is equal to 120. 90 of them voted in favor of candidate A. Okay. Voted in favor of candidate A. That's equal to 90. That means total number of voters are there are 120 and 90 voters voted in the favor of candidate A. What percentage of candidate voted in favor of A? That means is 90 की आपको percentage निकालनी है. So 90 out of 120 and you have to find the percentage. You can find easily. And question number 10, I will not explain it. You will do it. You will try it yourself. Okay. Thank you so much.